So you mentioned more cops. Got that on tape, but okay. You mentioned more cops. How do you feel about graffiti?
More cops? Graffiti? Oh, it's fun.
Why?
For people that live in free houses, because if you live in free house, like a house that you spend a lot of money in, and then they write on it, or they write a wall next to your house, it looks pretty nasty and it looks pretty ghetto, which means that everything in LA is ghetto.
Don't you live in LA?
Yes, and I hate it.
And you're in LA,
exactly, but
which makes you ghetto.
No, it does not make me ghetto. It makes my surroundings ghetto. I'm not ghetto. I'm not ghetto at all. Yeah, like, how did it work? No, it's Wadsworth. But I'm married and I'm leaving.
Do you write graffiti?
No. Well, sometimes, but not on the walls, on paper. On paper.
What do you write?
The way to go. Huh?
What do you write?
I think just names.
What names?
Some names.
What's your name?
Gosh.
Gosh what? Gosh 1?
No, Gosh 4.
Alright.